Hello, my name is Brandon Niebuhr, and before I get started with this talk, I'm just going to ask a personal question for you audience members out there. You don't have to raise your hand or anything, just think about it, see if it applies to you. Okay, so have you ever just looked at yourself in the mirror and went, maybe you want to change a little bit, maybe you think you should lose some weight, but there's just not enough time in the day to go to the gym, prepare these amazing healthy meals, and maybe you can't even afford these amazing healthy meals, right? So what if I told you you can lose your weight, you can lose the fat that you want to lose without changing your diet. You still eat what you want, you just eat it at certain times of the day. Well, I'm going to be telling you about intermittent fasting. And today I'm going to tell you what it is, how it works in your body, and how you can use it to your own lifestyle, because everyone's different. Okay, so I'm going to start by telling you what it is. So intermittent fasting, if you break it up, intermittent basically means irregular interval, so changing, not continuous. And fasting is it's a more common word, practiced really a lot in religion. So you don't eat, you refrain from eating and drinking at certain times of the day. Maybe for some religions it's when the sun's up, you don't eat or drink. But for this you're just going to do it, you're going to plan it, you're going to plan it throughout the day in certain frameworks. And that's how you're going to be able to lose the weight. So you might be wondering, well, how does this work? This sounds way too easy. Well, it sort of is. So in your body, when you normally consume food, your body in digestion takes out the nutrients and takes it to the muscles and tissues that need it, your brain, whatever it may be. But if there's an excess amount, it gets stored as fat in your body, and it just stays there as a backup. So we never really use that backup energy source while we're eating, because we eat throughout the day, every day. We never have a chance to use that. It just keeps getting stored. So during the fasting state, your body has no other energy source and has no other option but to use up that fat that's been stored over the years. And it's going to burn that fat over time, and that's how you're going to be able to lose the weight. So when you actually go to eat while you're feasting, your body's going to be deprived of those nutrients, and once it finally gets the primary energy source, it's going to use it all up, and there's not going to be no more excess in it. And this is done by insulin spikes. Chris Gunners, he has a Bachelor of Science in Medicine, says that the insulin spikes in your body drive the nutrients into the muscle and into the tissues way more effectively than if you're just feasting throughout the day and not fasting at all. So now you're probably wondering, well, how is this going to work in my own lifestyle? Well, it's super flexible. Mark Madison, a Johns Hopkins professor, he describes it as you just take that 8 to 12 hour window and do it whenever you want throughout the day. So you fast while you sleep, so it can be up till 8 hours. You just need 4 to 8 more hours during the day of fasting. You can do that. You can wake up and wait 4 hours to eat, right? And then eat for the rest of the day. Very, very easy. You can tailor it to however you want in your lifestyle, whatever shift you work, all of that. So now, in conclusion, this isn't a diet, it's an eating pattern. You fast for 12 to 16 hours, including your sleep, then you eat, and then your body really uses up all the nutrients, no excess nutrients, and it's easy for you. You can use it however you need, whatever time you want. It's all on your schedule. You don't have to go to gym hours or anything. So it's an eating pattern. What's stopping you?